Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to go private on Instagram threads. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So first thing to do is go ahead and open up your threads application or Instagram threads, and on the bottom right corner you'll see your profile. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you can see privacy is open, but we'll click off that. On the top right you'll have your menu item. Go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click on privacy, and you'll be given the option to go ahead and turn it into a private profile. So it's just a flick of the toggle switch and click OK. Or if you want for the mentions as well, go ahead and click on your mentions and select it to no one. So now your profile is now completely private. So that's how to do that. So there you have it guys, that is how to go private on Instagram threads. Nice and simple tutorial. If you guys found this helpful, please do leave us a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.